Have you ever felt like you're missing out on a world of flavors? I know I have, and it's time to change that. Hi, I'm Travis Bembenek, CEO and publisher of Mexico News Daily. Every week I buy the same fruits and vegetables, ignoring the exotic ones others eagerly pick up. Growing up in rural Wisconsin, my diet was simple: beer, cheese curds, brats, and corn. Even with extensive travel, I stuck to familiar foods, avoiding chicken feet in China and exotic sushi in Japan. I once traveled 90 minutes each way to a Pizza Hut in Shanghai just to avoid trying local cuisine. Reflecting on my food choices, I realized my fear of the unknown held me back from experiencing new flavors. But life is too short to not experiment. And that's why we're expanding our food and drink section at Mexico News Daily. Mexico's rich culinary history offers endless opportunities to explore new tastes, from fruits and vegetables to meats and insects. We'll bring you recipes, restaurant reviews, and insights into Mexico's flourishing wine industry, all in engaging multimedia formats. Join us on this delicious journey and discover the incredible flavors of Mexico. Let's have some fun and savor every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit mexiconewsdaily.com for more.